Dear students, good afternoon. I welcome you all for the case study discussion on design of compact antennas for IoT devices. Internet of Things connects devices like smartwatches, health monitoring bands, industrial sensors, home automation systems to the internet. So, for effective communication of these devices wirelessly, we need an antenna. And IoT devices are simpler, portable, battery operated, and also they are low cost. So, to fit a small antenna inside this IoT devices, we need a compact antenna. At the same time, the antenna must work efficiently. So, designing of antenna, compact antenna for IoT devices has many challenges. So, in this video, we are going to discuss what are the design challenges when designing a compact antenna for IoT devices and applications, design approach, and we'll discuss.
The problem statement is most of the IoT devices are compact, battery powered, cost sensitive, and low power wireless communication devices. So, making an odd size antenna does not fit in the device. So, making an antenna compact may affect its radiation frequency and all. So, making an antenna in a compactable size and high efficiency can solve this problems.
Okay, now I will explain the design challenges. The first one is size limitation. When the antenna size becomes small, the efficiency and gain is reduced, so the strength becomes weak. The next one is reduced bandwidth. When the small antennas supports only the limited range of frequencies, and the next one is signal interference. The other electronic components inside the device can disturb the signals. The next one is environmental effects. Rain, buildings, and humidity can fading the signal. So these are the main challenges.
So, by in this case study, by noticing the problem statement and considering the design challenges, I propose that we can use the microstrip patch antenna, which is so compact and it is suitable for most IoT applications. So, for many IoT devices like sensors, actuators, and home actuation systems, uses are very small in size. So, they need a very small antenna, which is very compact and lightweight, but it should be very efficient and power consumption should be less. So better going with the microstrip patch antenna will be the useful thing. So after use, this antenna will works in the range of 2.4 gigahertz, which is basically enough and suitable for all the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth communications. So next, by even making this, next step we are going to make this antenna even smaller by using the slotting techniques. So after introducing the slots in the patch, it increases the electrical path. But while keeping the antenna size, that is physical size, will be reduced as it is. It does not increases the physical size of the antenna, making it efficient to easily integrated in the PCB boards. It is since it is easily integrated, it is low cost and efficient, and we can utilize in most of all the IoT applications. So the proposed solution could be using the microstrip patch antenna. It is efficient and low power consumption.
Very good approach. The next is
So by considering all the points, we are going to discuss about the design approach. So there are basic 4 parameters. The one will be first is operating frequencies. So while choosing the operating frequency, we must be choose like which antenna and which operating frequency is suitable for the antenna we choose. So the first one is operating frequency, which is a very major point in the choosing of antenna. And the second one will be like the simulations. So before building the real antenna, we have to simulate and we have to make these steps like if the antenna works and if the antenna meets our need while making the antennas. And the third one will be like checking the important parameters whether it is working of all our needs. So the first parameter will be the bandwidth, then the losses and the radiation pattern. So all these parameters will be checking in the simulation part, not building the real antenna. And the final solution is like building the real antenna and see whether it meets the simulated result, and we have to match whether the simulated results and the final result is exactly matching or approximately matching. So this will be the 4 stages where the design impact are very.
I am going to talk about results and observation. Our compact antenna easily fits inside an IoT device. It gives stable communication, which is used for
give a better signal. Whenever we place the antenna in correct way, the placement of the antenna is very important. So we can get the proper and correct signals. It has low power consumption, so this is used in IoT devices.
Okay, and, compact antennas applications. Compact antennas are widely used in applications like smart home devices, like smart bulbs, smart locks, and security cameras. And it enables the connection through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is useful for us to connect through internet. So we can access the bulb through a mobile app. It will be easier for unconventional. And second one is the health monitoring wearable devices, like devices like fitness bands and smartwatches track steps, footsteps, oxygen level, and heart rate, and with it updates the data through cloud server or etc., which is useful. And compact antennas are useful in smartwatches, because smartwatches and fitness bands are lightweight, so it must be compact. And third one is industrial automation. In industrial automation, smart um, uh, antennas are used in sensors like monitoring the pressure and temperature of the surrounding area in the machinery, because we have to see the machinery. Not only human can manage all the things. By fixing sensors, it will be useful, and it will be upgrading the industrial. And fourth one is the smart agriculture. It is used for soil moisture level, checking the soil moisture level. And and it will be updating, the sensor will be updating the data. If the soil is it will check the pH of the soil. If the pH goes down, it will connect to the controlling system, and it will update the irrigation system. And last one is the city infrastructure, where it is used in smart street lights and smart automations in the streets, where it will be for development of the cities. Yes.
So an antenna is a very important device. We know it connects the free space and the guided wave, and also vice versa. So an efficient design of antenna is very much important for wireless communication, especially in IoT devices. A compact antenna is essential for the efficient IoT devices. In this video, you have clearly explained how to select an antenna, what are the design challenges, how to overcome it, and also you have said about the applications. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you.